Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the seat lid assembly, including both the toilet lid and toilet seat. Support the base with one hand. Then pull the entire assembly upward with force. The seat lid assembly will loosen and separate. Once loosened, gently open the lid to reveal the connecting cables and water hoses. Disconnect all cables and hoses. After all connections are detached, you can remove the entire assembly from the toilet ceramic body. Next, we disassemble the seat lid assembly. The mounting screws are located on both sides of the cover. Hidden under decorative pads, remove the decorative pads to reveal the screws underneath. Do the same on the opposite side. After removing the screws, detach all clips securing the assembly. There are also cables between the mainboard and the cover. These must be disconnected. Lastly, disconnect the ground cable. And the cover and base can now be separated. With the base placed on a work surface, we now replace the cleaning device. First, locate the mounting screws for the cleaning device and the mounting screws for the water divider below it. Loosen all screws. Then lift the base of the cleaning device slightly upward. and push it back to disengage it. Next, disconnect the hoses and cables from the clips. Once the hoses and cables are loose, the cleaning assembly will be freed. Now, find the connecting cables to the main board. One for the water divider, one for the cleaning device. Unplug both connecting cables. On the other side, there's a UV light attached to the cleaning device via clips. Use a screwdriver to pry it off gently. Also, remove the self-cleaning water pipe by sliding the clip downward and pulling the hose out. Now, remove the cleaning device from the base. And finally, disconnect the water inlet hose from the water divider. The entire cleaning assembly is now removed. When you have the new cleaning assembly, reinstall it onto the base. Mount the water divider first. Route all hoses through the clips. Reattach the UV light to the cleaning device. Insert the self-cleaning water pipe into its port, ensuring the clip locks securely. Install the front clip of the cleaning device. Press it down and slide forward slightly to lock it in place. Tighten all mounting screws. Then, reconnect the control cables and hoses. Pass the control cables from underneath and plug them into the main board. Key points to remember when replacing the cleaning device. Hoses must not be bent. Ensure smooth extension and retraction of the cleaning nozzle. Pay attention to the locking clips of the cleaning device. Check all cable and hose connections. Once verified, reassemble the cover and base. After completing repairs, reconnect all cables to the main board. Ensure cables are properly inserted. Reinstall base and cover. And tighten the screws. Reinstall the full assembly onto the toilet ceramic body. Start by placing the seat lid assembly back onto the ceramic body. Find the corresponding connectors and reconnect all cables. All cables are directional. Match arrow to arrow on each connector. Next, route the power cable through the bottom. Then pull the water inlet hose from below and connect it to the seat lid assembly. Tighten the hose using a wrench if needed. After connecting all cables and hoses, tidy up the cables and position the connectors properly. Once everything is organized, tuck the cable bundle into place. Then close the lid and press down to snap the clips into place.